My YouTube silver plug came. Let's unbox it together. The first thing says, do you remember your first subscriber? Oh my goodness. Oh, thank you so much. Honestly, this is because of you. Thank you for engaging with my content, sharing, liking, commenting, subscribing. Thank you for adding value to my life as much as I am adding value to yours. And thank you, YouTube. I am so grateful. There's so much I have planned, so much we're still going to learn and do together, and I am excited for it. Thank you and have an amazing 2025. Bye.